Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. There's some helpful information to save you some time, money, and some grief. I get a printout if you call me there, and I try to call people back because that's part of my job. Running a machine shop, messing with 4 or 5 buggies and monkeys. Not really fun anymore, but it's a necessity. Talking to cool people, doing cool shit, working on cool buggies, that is what it's done. So, we sell a bunch, 4, 5, 6 a month, of our rear disc brake kits for the Dodge Rams, especially those 90 models, right before the disc brakes came out. And what we're looking at is we are looking at a 16-inch factory Dodge rim. And we're going to pop this apart real quick so you get to see how simple this is. This is a bolt-on kit, which I developed years ago. Here it is, 2026, summer 2026. And it's extremely straightforward. And this is high school level at best. Uses that factory rotor of the early 2000s. And uses a great big sliding pin caliper, brand new, and has that great big 3-inch piston in there, which is the biggest it was ever made. And so these calipers are really, really powerful. And that's one of the reasons the system works so well. I got guys calling me up all the time. Wayne, my truck's completely different. We used to tow a giant 5th wheel loaded down. I work on foundations. I used to tow a dump bed trailer with a skid steer in the back of it. Yada, yada, yada. And it is completely different. So, that was a Mad Hatter disassemble. So, there you go. You got your simple bolt-on bracket with a spacer, 3 fasteners, no welding, no monkeying around. Just bolt that on. Got your factory hub right here. Rotor slides on the front. I mean, literally, you can do this in 15, 20 minutes aside. This is a joke. Like I said, we sell a few of them, 4, 5, 6 of these a month alone, just this style. And we have about 50 different kinds. And of course, now we're ready to put our caliper on. See that great big 3-inch piston? How do you calculate your force? Area of a circle, radius times pi, something like that. Comes up to a little over 7. So, whatever you got coming into that caliper, whether it be 300 psi or 500 psi, it's multiplied by 7. And And that's how much force you end up with on the pad. So, there you go, my friends. It's literally installed that fast. There we go. And once again, here's the factory 16-inch wheel. Voila. So, there you go. Simplest, max power, max effort disc brake kit. Fits on that 70 and 80 single wheel that there is. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking. Change that buggy forever, friend. Forever.